We're going to do a key for a 2006 Magnum. This is low price keys, Longmont. So as you can see, that's the customer's original key, and we're about to program a remote key. Immobilizer is on, meaning it's not programmed. So there you go, and read pin. Program success. Mobilizer's off. And it's ready. We're not just gonna make sure the remote functions work, and they work. So the customer now has a remote key. This is a 2006 Magnum, Dodge Magnum. If you ever need a duplicate or lose all your keys, give us a call and we can help you. If you have a lockout, if you lock your keys in, just let us know. Thank you.